Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about Calathea lancifolia plant care. I know it is a very difficult name, so you can call it rattlesnake Calathea. So I think that name is very easy. So it is a Calathea type and Marantha family. Prayer plant group. So you can see I think it like snake. Okay, leaves a snake pattern. That's why it called as rattlesnake Calathea. Regarding soil, 50% of multi-purpose compost, 30% of coco peat or peat moss, 20% of perlite. This is a mixture of soil we can use for all Calathea plant. Regarding water, when the soil is partially dry, we can apply water. Not wait for complete dry. So we have to maintain that soil like moist. Then regarding light, indirect sunlight, very good for all Calathea plant. Then regarding temperature, I think I forgot to tell regarding about temperature in fishbone Calathea. All Calathea like 25 to 28 degrees Celsius temperature. So we have to maintain. Then if we can keep it in outside, but very good shade area we can keep. Otherwise leaf will get burned, okay, due to that sunlight exposure. And then regarding, I told you, if we are keeping inside, we can keep near window, so it will provide good indirect light. Then this type variegated type, okay, so it needed light. Then regarding humidity, all Calathea plant like high humidity, so we can boost the humidity by misting method or pebble spray method, or we can provide humidifier, or we can keep this plant along with other plant. So misting method means spraying water on leaf. So that is the good method. If that less humidity in our room, that plant leaf edge become brown color. So we can prevent it by spraying that water. Then if our room air is too much dry, put on AC and provide very cool for plant, okay, because Calathea like very cool temperature. So you have to remind about that temperature. Then regarding propagation, this plant also splitting method, divide. Then overwatering will cause for leaf become drooping, leaf become shut down, then leaf become yellow. So you have to take care about overwatering. If underwatering also, that leaf tip become brown. So we have to maintain that soil like moist. Then I think this is the soil also I told. Then this is the care regarding rattlesnake Calathea. So I will show you. This is the rattlesnake Calathea. You can see leaves very shining. You can see snake type arrangement, okay, you can see that leaf like snake, okay. So I think dark green and light green you can see in that leaf, okay. Then back side different color, purple color. Then front side dark green and light green. So all people like Calathea plant, okay. So if you like my video, please share, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.